homework.
Yes, of course.
I couldn't do the homework.
On
I didn't
Sunday,
even
on
do it,
Sunday.
and I didn't have time.
You didn't have time.
Yes.
You have to make time. You have to make time for this.
Try the homework.
Teacher, I also didn't have time because our school started.
Yeah, my
Yes,
school.
but after school, after
Yeah, we are
school.
not going to
What?
the same school, but I did homework.
Eren, I come to home right now.
Okay, I know I sent only 5 questions as a homework, but after 20 questions getting harder, you know, I thought that these 5 questions will be hard to solve, then it will take too much time of you. Then I thought it's enough. It's enough to solve 5 hard questions per lesson, let's say. But you did or not? The question is that you did these questions or not? Eren, Ayşe, let's start with Ayşe. Ayşe,
I did these questions. I just couldn't find one question.
only one question. Question
Me
22.
Yes, 22. I couldn't find question 22.
Okay.
Me too, I couldn't find question 22.
Okay. Amine,
I didn't understand the questions, really.
any of it?
Not really.
Not really. Eren,
Try the question 22.
okay. Hira,
Teacher, I didn't do the homework.
you didn't do any of it. It's a problem, Hira. You have to study something. Hira, Hira, you hear me?
Yes, I can.
No,
I couldn't do the homework.
you couldn't do. Maksud,
I didn't understand it.
Maksud.
He said he couldn't understand it.
Okay, okay. Then let's start with question 21. In that case, half of you couldn't solve questions. Some of you solved some questions, and only 1 or 2% solved all questions except 22. Let's say. Okay. Question 21. Who can explain it? Or is it hard to explain? You have to draw some picture. Mati wants to tile a floor that's 12 by 20 meters long. We have a room, we have some area, and measures of that room is 12 meters and 20 meters long, like this. There are 2 types of tiles. A square, here's square, it's 2 meters long, and an L shape. L shape is that, and the measures you see, it's written on the figure. The L-shaped tile can be turned over or rotated if needed. What's the least number of tiles Matthew needs to tile the floor completely? Least number of tiles. Okay. Then I have some project. I have some idea. Can we put 2 L-shaped figure like this? 2 L-shaped figure like this.
Yes.
If we put it this way, we will get a rectangle, yes?
Yes.
And if it's 1, then here is 1. 2, then here is 3. And if it's 3, then this side is 3. 1, 2, 3. I write like this. Then what's the measures of my rectangle, my new rectangle, which I made with L-shaped figures? It is 4 centimeters long. Here's 4. 1 and 3 is 4. And 2 centimeters wide. 2 times 4 makes 8. 2 times 4.
Hello.
Hello, Ümit. The area of this rectangle, you know how to find the area, yes? You have to multiply the length by width. I multiplied this 4 by this 2 and I get 8. The area of this figure is 8. And what's the area of this square? 2 times 2 makes 4.
4.
And if I put 2 together, like this, it also will be 8. The area will be 8, okay?
Okay.
Then I see that it's the same if I choose squares as a tile, because if I take 2 square tile, the area will be 8. And if I take 2 L-shaped tile, also area will be 8. Nothing changed. I take 2 tile and I get the area 8. Okay.
How we get an area 8?
Now let's calculate the area of this room. Not
L-shaped. Here in there have an L-shaped thing.
Sorry. Can you repeat? I didn't understand.
We have in there L-shaped, yes, rectangle.
Yes. I put 2 L-shaped figure together and I get rectangle. And the sum total area of this 2 L-shaped figure is 8. I use
I understand.
You understand?
Yes.
Now let's calculate the area of our room. It's 12 meters width and 20 meters long, yes? The area will be 12 times 20 and it makes 240. 240 meters square. That's the area. And let's divide this 240 by 8. This 8, the total area of 2 tiles. Or let's divide it to the total area of 1 tile, 1 square tile. This one square tile. 240 divided by 4, let's say, not 8. I erase 8. Because 1 square tile is 4 meters square. And it's 60. I need 60 tiles. To cover the floor with tiles. Is it okay?
Yes.
First, I calculate the total area of my room. Then I calculate the area of 1 square tile. And I divide these areas and I get 60, then it means I need 60 tiles to cover my floor. But why I use that L-shaped tiles? Because I have to check. I have to check which tile is better, square tile or L-shaped tile. And I see that, I saw that two of them is the same. It doesn't matter which you take. You take square or you take L-shaped, the number of tiles will be the same. Then I choose square because calculating square is easier than calculating the L-shaped tile. And I divide 240 by 4, I get 60 tiles I need. Is it okay?
Yes.
You have to memorize these area formulas. How you find the area of rectangle, how you find the area of right triangle. These two you have to memorize it. Okay, question 22. Jared likes to create patterns with dots. He created the following figures below. The first 4 figures are shown below. How many dots will the 16th figure contain? First figure have 1 dot. Second figure have 5 dots. And third figure have 9 and 4, 13 dots. And the fourth figure has,
Only 5 dots.
how many?
25.
25. Okay. Now you see, you have to see that pattern between these numbers. 1 to 5. How much does it increase?
4.
4. 5 to 13.
8.
8. 4 and 8. You see 4, then it increased by 8. Yes. From 13 to 25.
12.
12. And you see that?
It goes 4 by 4.
4 by 4.
So
Yes.
could we multiply 16 by 4?
No, not 16 by 4. We will continue like this. But it will be big number, yes. Because after 12, it will be increased 16 dots. And 25 plus 16 makes 41. You can continue with this way. You can continue with this way. After 16, you have to
20.
increase by 20 and 41,
Then 24.
61 and 24, 61 plus 24 makes 85. 85 plus 24, 28, because 24 increased by 4 and 28, it will be 113. But the number,
Then
the number is
sort,
getting
we
bigger.
should
1,
add
2,
30.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are at figure 8. Figure 8. But I think the
32.
number's getting bigger and it's getting harder. Let's find another way.
Teacher, can I tell the way I did?
Yes.
So this, like the way I did is like easy, but it takes like a long time. So first I looked like at the middle one. So on the figure 1 it's 1. On figure 2 there is 3. On figure 3 there is 5, and on figure 4 there is 7. So it goes like 1, 3, 5, 7. It goes 2 by 2.
You only focus on this line, the diagonal
Yeah,
line.
no, not that one. The middle one, the other part.
This
Not
one.
like from up to the, yeah, that one.
It's the same, but okay.
Yeah.
1,
So, yeah.
3,
I
5,
look,
7. Yes.
And then, so we basically go like that until we get like this figure 16. So 2 by 2 we just go. 7, then 9 will be figure 5. 11 will be figure 6. 13 will be figure 7. Then 15 will be figure 8. Then 17 will be figure 9, then 19 will be figure 10, then 21, wait, yeah, 21 will be figure 11, so 23 will be figure 12, then 25 will be figure 13, then 21, 23, 25, yeah. 27 will be figure 14, yes, 14. Then 29 will be figure 15, and 31 will be figure 16. So the middle line will be 31. So we basically draw 31 in the middle, and 2 by 2 we write the numbers under it. So it will be like so the numbers will be 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Then we add all of them. So first we don't add 31, so we do 29 plus 27 plus 25 plus 23. The answer is 104. Then we do 104 plus 21 plus 19 plus 17 plus 15 plus 13 and plus 11. The answer will be 200. Then we do 200 plus 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. The answer will be 225. Then we also need to do it for the up part. We only did the down. So it will be 225 plus 225. It will be 450. And we also should add this 31 that is in the middle. So it will be 481. The answer is 481.
481. Okay, it's a little long, yes, little long. Also,
But it's easy.
it's easy, yes, easy, but also this way nearly the same with yours, because also we trying numbers one by one, we are calculating numbers one by one till to 18th 16th figure. But can we find a different pattern which is more easier than this? Is it possible to find it? I'm searching for 1, 5, 13, 25, the number of dots in original question. All times plus 1, multiple of 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, and that's 4 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 3 plus 1, and 6 plus 1. That's 41. It's 4 plus 10 plus 1, and also this 6, then increasing 1 by 1, and it's also hard. Okay, dear students, maybe we can find more practical way than this, but still counting one by one is the easiest way. It's easy to understand. Okay, it's not easy to calculate. Maybe it takes some time, longer than others. But it's easy to understand. Writing the figures, number of dots one by one.
Over.
Okay, you continue this way. You see that in my way, the dots, number of dots increasing by 4 every time. The number of dots increasing by 4. 28, I'm still calculating 28. 85 plus 28, 113. Then after 28, it's increased by 32. 113 plus 32, it's 145. And it will increase by 36. 145 plus 36, 181. Like that, you continue to calculate, and when you find figure 16 figure, then it's your answer. Okay. If I found a more practical way than this, I will show you, okay? But now I want to pass to question 23. Is it okay? You understand something about question 22?
Teacher, the answer of question 22, is it 181?
No, I have to continue. But that's first figure. First figure have one dot. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 18, 8th, 9th, 10th. It's 10th figure. I have to continue this way, okay?
Okay.
If I want to find the 11th figure, then I have to add 40 on 181. 40, it will be 221.
Understood.
Like this. Question 23. Our villa has L tiles, each made up of 311 squares as shown. What's the greatest number of these L tiles that can fit down 14, 10 rectangles so long as there is no overlap? Okay, I solved the question 23 and the question 21 are nearly the same. They are nearly the same. Okay? Try to solve question 23 by yourself. Okay. Question 23 and question 21, nearly the same. Okay, L-shaped tiles. L-shaped tiles. You have to find the area of L-shaped tile and the total area. You have to find total area. Then divide it. Divide them.
Teacher, may I tell the question 23?
Yes, yes.
So here it says Orville has L tiles, each made up of three 1 times 1 squares as shown. What is the greatest number of these L tiles that can fit into a 14 times 10 rectangle so long as there is no overlap? Note, the L tiles can be rotated in order to fit better, but not cut. So here, first I multiplied 14 by 10, and the answer is 140. And then, like as on the picture is shown, it's on the like shape. On the shape they gave, there are like only 3 squares, so we have to divide 140 by 3. But we can't do it like exactly. So I did 120 by 3, and the answer is 40. And we have 20 left because like 140 and 120, like we have 20 left, and so we have to divide 20 by 3. We can't divide 20 by 3. We can only divide 18 by 3, and the answer is 6. So I added 6 to the 40 I got, and the answer is 46.
Yes, it's not wholly divided, but there will be remainder, okay? But you can divide 140 by 3.
Yeah, there was remainder. That's why I didn't do it, because it would not be like exact.
Exact divide, yes. 4 times 3, 12. It will be 20. 20 by 3, 6. 46, yes. 46. What's your answer?
My answer is 46.
46 is correct. And it's the greatest number of tiles. Maybe some we will have some space here. We couldn't cover that space with L-shaped tiles because I have to cut the tile. But in the question it says tiles can be rotated, but not cut. If I can't cut, then the number of squares, number of L tiles is 46. How you found? You calculated the area of that room or that rectangle is 140 and divided by the area of that tiles. It's 111, its area is 3. Then you divide by 3. Is it okay, dear students? Is there any problem with question 23?
No.
No, you understand? Question 24. The numbers 1 through 12 are placed in the diagram, one in each circle, so that the sum of the numbers along each line is the same. What's the smallest possible value of this sum per line? Is there any idea about question? The numbers 1 through 12 are placed in diagram. What's the sum of the numbers 1 through 12? Who can say?
Should we write numbers from 1 to 12? And should the sum be 12 also?
Yes, 1 and 12 included, let's say, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see, you have 12 circles.
No, I would like this lines they have a circle. Should they be total of 12?
I didn't understand it, Am. Repeat it, please.
Like I am saying that in every line, should the sum be 12?
Okay. Again, I didn't hear. Sorry, Iram. So sorry, but I didn't hear what you said. Again, please.
Like should the in each line should the sum be 12?
Some, yes, 1 to 12. If you write the numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the sum of these numbers have to equal to be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum of these numbers have to equal with these numbers. Now it's not equal because I wrote randomly, but you have to choose correct numbers because your sums have to be equal. Okay, from 1 to 12. What's the smallest possible value of this sum per line? It's easy. It's easy because I don't need to find all the circles. I have numbers from 1 to 12 and I have 3 same line, yes. Let's add the numbers from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 till to 12. Who can find that sum easily? Who knows that formula? If you want to find the sum of 1 till to 12, what's the result?
Teacher, you're asking what is 1 plus 2 plus like 3 plus 4?
Yes.
The answer is 78.
78. It has easy way. I want to show you. You take the last number, you multiply by one more of that number. It's 13. One more. Okay. And divide
Then
by 2.
divide it by 2.
Yes. 6 times 13 is 78. 78 is the sum of the numbers from 1 to 12.
The smallest.
And you have 3 same line. 3 same line. If we have 3 same line, then 78 divided by 3, it makes 26. Each line have to be 26. The sum of the lines, sum of the circles have to 26. Have to be 26. Okay?
Okay.
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 Question 25.
Teacher, for me this was the hardest one.
The last 5 questions are hardest. But I don't know if this question 25 is the hardest one or not. The region inside the circle can be cut into two parts by drawing one line through it as shown. If the circle is cut into 232 parts, then what's the least number of lines that must be drawn through the region? Oh. A little hard question. If the circle is cut into 232 parts, then what's the least number of lines that must be drawn through the region?
116.
116. How you find out? You divide by 2?
Yes.
No, not exactly. Because, for example, if I draw 2 lines like this, now there is 1, 2, 3, 4 piece. Okay. Then if I draw third line, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. Is it true? If I draw one line, then it's cut into 2 parts. Then what's the least number of lines that must be drawn through the region? Okay, let's draw the last one, the 4th line, and let's count the areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's 10. I draw 4 line and I get 10. No, it has some formula. It has some formula. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I will show you something.
Yeah, can I go drink water?
Yes, drink water. Okay, dear students,
Because I will answer.
it has some formula. I want to write it.
Is it 58?
What's your answer?
58.
58. Okay, the formula is n times n plus 1 over 2 plus 1. It's a formula like this. This n is the number of lines. N is the number of lines, let's say. If number of lines is n, then n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2 and plus 1 may give us the number of parts this circle divided into.
So will be
Then you have to write like this: n times n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 232. First you subtract that 1 from 232. Sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you. And n plus 1 over 2 is equal to 231. I subtract 1. Let's multiply this 2 by 231. n plus 1 is 462. Okay, let's try some numbers instead of n and find what's the value of n. Start from 10. 10 plus 11 is 110. Okay, I want to draw this formula because I always write at the right side. Let's n be 12. 12 times 21. Because if n is 12, then n plus 1 is 21. 12 times 21 is 420. It is not 462. Then n is not 20, n is maybe 21. 21 times 22. 21 times 22, what's the result? We can say, yes, that's 462.
62, yes.
Yes, then the n is 20. I have to draw 20 lines to cut this circle into 232 parts. It's the smallest number of lines, least number of lines that I have to draw. A greater value is possible, but the smaller value is not possible. If you draw not 20, if you draw 19 lines, then you can't get 232 parts. It's not possible. Okay, how I understand this? It has a formula, okay? N times n plus 1 over 2 plus 1. That's the number of parts when you draw the lines on any picture, on any shape. Is it okay? Okay, let's start.
Teacher, could you please explain again?
Okay, of course, of course. Then let's open some empty space here for ourselves. Empty space like this. That's our board. You think it as a board. You have a one shape. It doesn't matter what's the shape. It can be circle, it can be rectangle, it can be any shape. Okay. Let's think circle. We have circle. There's a little formula. There's a little formula. If I draw n number of lines on this circle, I will get maximum number of parts. If I draw n number of lines on this circle, I will get maximum number of parts with this formula. N times n plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Is it okay? Because if you draw one line,
Yes.
it's cut into two pieces. If you
Teacher,
draw
will we
two
do
lines,
another question
it got-
after this?
can you repeat?
Will we do another question after this?
Yes, we will solve question with this formula. After this,
No, like, will we have a question after this question?
yes, we have. We will open new paper. We finished this paper. I know it's 25th question, but I will open new paper. Okay, if you draw two lines, then we will get 4 parts. If you write 2 instead of n, you will see that your result is 4, because 2 times 3 over 2 plus 1. You see, it is 6 over 2, 3 plus 1 is 4, like this. And we have 4 parts here. You see, if I draw 3 lines. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I draw 3 lines, I have 7 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try. Let's write 3 instead of n. It is 3 times 4 divided by 2 plus 1. 12 by 2, it's 6. 6 plus 1 makes 7. Then, yes, we have 7 parts. Can you see it? You understand this formula? What this formula is used for? Yes.
So I don't understand this part that 2 over n, like n plus 1 plus 1.
That's formula. You have to memorize it. If I prove it, it's hard to understand. Okay, if it's hard to understand the proof of this formula for you, but you can use it. You can use it. You have to only write the number of lines instead of this n. You won't write n. You will write the number of lines. Okay. For example, if you have 10 lines, if you draw 10 lines, okay, you have to write like this: 10 times 10 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And it will be 10 times 11, 110 over 2 plus 1, it's 56. Then you have 56 parts. Okay. Now in question, it says you have 232 parts. We want to get 232 parts. We want to get how many lines we have to draw. Okay. Sorry. Let's write n is equal to, I don't know n, but n times n plus 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 232, because we have 232 parts. And we continue calculation. We throw that one to other side. It will be subtraction. And oh no, 10 times no, I don't know n times n plus 1 over 2 is equal to 231. Then we throw this 2 to other side by multiplication. We multiply 2 by 231. N times n plus 1 is equal to 462. Then you have to think what's n. You have to find what's n. You can try some numbers. You can find n by guessing. Okay. Let's write n is equal to 10. If n is 10, it will be 10 times 11 and it's 110. Then it's not possible. It's not true. 10 is not true. Let's write n is equal to 21. 21 times 22, because I add 1 on it. And it's 462. Then it's correct. N is 21. What's n? N is the number of lines we should draw. We should draw on that circle, okay? Like this. Okay, we lost too much time on question 25.
Sure, but what about the first question? 21.
21, we also, yes. We paid too much time on 21. We finished paper 2018. 2018 is finished. Okay.
Okay. Wait, teacher, not 21 actually. Did we finish 22?
22, not till the end, but we show how to calculate it.
Ah, okay.
Okay, it's finished. Let's continue with 2019. Okay, 2019. Okay, where is 2019? This one. Amo 2019 grade 6, yes. Grade 5, not grade 6, grade 5. Okay, I open new paper. Let's solve this question together. An operation is defined as 3 4 is 2, 5 3 is 7, and 8 2 is 14. Find the value of 9 3. Okay, try to find it. It has logic. You have to find some pattern in that operations. It's not hard.
Is it 4?
4? No, not 4.
Yes.
Ümit, you didn't speak in this lesson.
Me?
Yes,
I speak.
you speak. Okay, then I didn't remember lesson.
I explained the homework.
Which one?
The homework right now. I explained question 22, question 23, then 24.
Okay. Can you explain this question 1? Exercise 1.
I didn't understand it.
You have to find some logic, some pattern with these numbers. How to get? How can you get 2 from 3 and 4? How is it possible?
Is it 19?
What?
19.
19? No.
1 9.
No, no.
Teacher,
Yes.
is it 7?
how much?
7.
7, no. Okay. In that case, I don't want to explain it. It's homework for you. In our next lesson, I will, if you couldn't solve, I will explain, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then our lesson has finished. I have to start lesson with grade 6. 6th grade students.
Okay. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
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 Bye bye. Thank you.